Hello everyone, my name is Aneesh. Today I am going to make soil profile. So first we have to take a glass of water, a spoon to mix it, and some soil. So first we have to put soil in the glass and mix it properly with the spoon. So this will be the result after a day. The soil profile contains 5 layers. The first layer is of humus, the second layer is of water, the third layer is of clay, the fourth layer is of sand, and the fifth layer is of gravel. Now as you see, after keeping it for a day, particles have settled down according to their size. At the bottom of the glass, there are very heavy particles like sand and gravel. It is called gravel layer, and at the top, which is floating, is a superlight which is formed due to humus. In between, there are layers of water and clay which are finer as compared to other layers. This is how you are able to differentiate between layers of soil by knowing the difference in sizes and properties. Thank you.